Before we begin, I want you to do one simple thing. Type in the comments, I choose positivity today. And then stay with me until the end. Because by the time this video is over, your mindset will feel lighter, calmer, and more in control. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and gently close your eyes if you can. Again, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and release it through your mouth. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out tension. Allow your mind to settle. You don't need to fix anything right now. You don't need to rush. This moment is just for you. Now repeat after me. Say these words out loud or quietly in your mind. Feel them, believe them, let them sink in. I choose positivity today. I choose peace over worry. I choose calm over chaos. I am in control of my thoughts. I am not my negative feelings. I can shift my mindset anytime I want. I choose to focus on what I can control. I release what I cannot control. I trust that everything will work out. I am stronger than my doubts. I am bigger than my fears. I have overcome challenges before, and I will again. Every day I grow mentally stronger. Every moment I become more resilient. I choose to see opportunities instead of obstacles. I choose growth instead of fear. I choose courage over comfort. I believe in myself. Even when it is hard, I release negative thoughts. I release self-doubt. I release the need to be perfect. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I am allowed to start fresh today. I let go of overthinking. I let go of fear of judgment. I let go of what no longer serves me. I choose positivity today. No matter what happens, I will respond with strength. I attract positive energy into my life. I notice the good around me. I appreciate the small things. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for my journey. I am grateful for who I am becoming. I am worthy of happiness. I deserve peace and success. I am enough just as I am. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I trust my path, even if I don't see the full picture yet. I am becoming the best version of myself, step by step.